These guys just opened a bottle of wine that's 100 years old from 1923. These guys from Simple Facts claim that this wine is 100 years old. And it looks like they found multiple jugs of this wine which have been sealed for a very long time. And wine has an extremely long expiration date. It's safe to drink wine for up to 15 years after creation. And as the saying goes, older the berry, the sweeter the juice. So I'm sure this juice probably tastes delicious. This case was very well sealed and they finally managed to open it up. Some might even say that since it has been sealed in earth with leaves and dirt, it might even be closer to 1,000 years instead of 100, making it much older than 1923. But that's all speculation. The jug that they sealed it in looks like it's from the Old Testament. For all we know, Jesus himself buried it. And the price for something like this, the fact that it's 100 years or 1,000 years is incredibly rare and considered priceless, and it could probably easily be auctioned for around $1 million.